Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. May Allah bless you and keep smiling. Always be happy in your life. First of all, thank you for supporting me and welcome back my YouTube channel. I want to share handmade article design and I hope you like this video. This video I am sharing handmade embroidery Latkan design. All of these designs look great, so find your favorite pattern now. So viewers, don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. For this pattern lookup request, we are going to focus on beginner level and easy pattern using handmade design. These three patterns are beautifully designed and suitable for both beginner and maker. Most handmade Latkan patterns on the blog use beginner-friendly stitches such as a single and half stitches. These crochet handmade Latkan patterns are having to all fabulous design from easy. This Latkan can be as a simple or elaborate as you want. All of these designs look great, so find your favorite pattern now. The handmade lovers are always searching for cute and unique ideas and plan to work and get their make shine more and more. This colorful pattern used on your dresses and lehenga designs and wear this pattern looking are so beautiful and so unique. This is a pattern for a beautifully designed this amazing collection for you if you want more ideas and more decent patterns. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video very amazing and helpful for you. So viewers, share this video to your friend and family members. Be connected with me and remember me in your prayer. We will meet you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.